Hi students, welcome to the session, welcome to online classes. I am Raju, mathematics teacher. See in our 10th class, how many chapters are there? These are the chapters. As you check it, here in 10th class we have the two papers. It is paper 1 and paper 2. In mathematics, total there are 14 chapters are there. In paper 1, 7 chapters and paper 2, 7 chapters. What are the 7 chapters? As you check it now. Paper 1. First chapter is real numbers. Second chapter sets. Third chapter is polynomials. Fourth chapter pair of linear equations in two variables. And fifth chapter is quadratic equations. And sixth one is progressions. And seventh one is coordinate geometry. These 7 chapter comes under paper 1. Next, coming to the paper 2, we have again 7 chapters. 8th chapter is similar triangles. 9th one is tangents and secants to a circle. 10th one mensuration, 11th one it is trigonometry, 12th it is applications of trigonometry, 13th it is probability, and 14th we have statistics. Total in our mathematics we have 14 chapters, 7 chapters. First 7 chapters comes under paper 1 and last 7 chapter 8 to 14 chapter comes under paper 2. These are the papers, 2 papers we have in mathematics. Okay now, today onwards I will give daily I will give the classes. Today I will start the first chapter, that is real numbers. Is it clear? Yeah. Now what are real numbers? What are real numbers? The first chapter is real numbers. In real numbers, before going to study about the real numbers, first you have to know the number system. What are the numbers? What type of numbers? First, digits. How many digits are there in mathematics? How many digits? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are the digits. Total how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Total 10 digits. We will use 10 digits in mathematics. Total 10 digits are there in mathematics. By using these digits, we can form the numbers. After 10, after 9 what 10? 10 nothing but we will write the combination of 1 and 0. 11, 1, 1, 12, 1, 2, 13, 1, 3, 1, 2 like that we can write. So total how many digits are there in mathematics? There are 10 digits in mathematics. And how many numbers are there? There are how many numbers? Undefined. Because we can't say that is infinite numbers are there. The number of digits are 10, total numbers are undefined. Next, first natural numbers. Natural numbers. What are natural numbers? Natural numbers. What are natural numbers? All counting numbers are called natural numbers. Counting numbers means, suppose if you want to count any, suppose number of benches if you want to count, how can you start? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You will start with 1. You won't start with 0, 1, 2, 3. You will start with 1. So what are the counting numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, so on. These all are called counting numbers. These counting numbers are called natural numbers. So what are natural numbers? All counting numbers. All counting numbers are called natural numbers. What are the counting numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, so on. These are called the counting numbers. These counting numbers are called natural numbers. A natural number, it is started with the capital N. So natural numbers are denoted by capital N. Natural numbers are denoted by capital N. N is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, so on. These are the natural numbers. What are natural numbers? All counting numbers are called natural numbers. Natural numbers are denoted by capital N. N is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, so on. In this, what is the smallest natural number? Smallest natural number is equal to 1. And the largest natural number? The largest natural number is undefined. Because what is the largest natural number? We can't say. So that's why largest natural number is undefined. The smallest is 1, the largest is undefined. This is about natural numbers. What are natural numbers? All counting numbers are called natural numbers. Natural numbers are denoted by capital N is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 up to so on. So smallest natural number is 1 and largest natural number is undefined. Okay, next whole numbers. What are whole numbers? Next one, whole numbers. What are whole numbers? All the natural numbers along with 0 are called as whole numbers. All the natural numbers. What are natural numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to so on. These are called natural numbers. If you add 0 including 0, these are called whole numbers. What are whole numbers? All the natural numbers including with 0. All the natural numbers including with 0 are called as whole numbers. So whole numbers first letter is what? W. So whole numbers are denoted by W. W is equal to what is? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to so on. What are whole numbers? All the natural numbers. What are natural numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are called natural numbers. All these natural numbers along with 0 are called as whole numbers. What are the whole numbers? First letter is W. The whole numbers are denoted by W. W is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 to so on. And the smallest whole number. The smallest whole number is equal to 0. What is the smallest whole number? 0. And the largest whole number. What is the largest whole number? Is there any largest whole number? It is infinite. That's why you can write as infinite or undefined. The largest whole number is undefined. Is it clear? Whole numbers, nothing but all the natural numbers along with 0 are called as whole numbers. Whole numbers are denoted by W. So whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to so on. This smallest whole number is 0 and the largest whole number is undefined. This is about whole numbers. Next, integers. Integers. What are integers? Integers nothing but all the whole numbers. Whole numbers what? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinite. These are called whole numbers. Along with whole numbers, all the negative numbers. What are the negative numbers? -1, -2, -3, -4 to infinite. All the whole numbers. See now, these all are the whole numbers. These all are the negative numbers. All the whole numbers along with negative numbers. These are what? Negative numbers. So negative numbers plus whole numbers are called as integers. Negative numbers plus whole numbers. So what is the definition of integers? All the whole numbers along with negative numbers are called integers. Otherwise, all positive numbers, negative numbers including with 0, positive numbers, negative numbers including with 0 are called as integers. These are called integers. In integers, first letter is what? I. So integers are denoted by I. Integers are denoted by I. How can you write integers? See here we start with 0, 1, 2, 3 up to so on. This side -1, -2 up to so on. Sir, see what is the biggest integer? It is undefined. We can't say it is infinite, and the smallest also. If you go to the left side, the values will be decreased. So what is the smallest integer? Smallest integer also undefined. Therefore, smallest integer is undefined. Smallest integer is undefined, and the largest integer also undefined. Smallest integer and largest integer both are undefined. We can't say. Understand? What are integers? All the whole numbers along with negative numbers are called integers. Integers are denoted by I. So smallest integer is undefined, largest integer also undefined. Now these integers already came in 7th class, first chapter. Integers are denoted by I and also Z. You studied already. Integers are denoted by I and also Z. See, it is I taken from the first letter of the integer, that is integer's first letter is I. So I taken from the first letter of integer. What is the Z? The Z taken from the German word. The Z taken from the German word. That word is Zellen. Z-E-A-H-L-E-N. The Z taken from the German word, that is Zellen, which means to count. In German language, Zellen means to count. Okay, integers denoted by I and also Z. I is the first letter of integers. Z is taken from the German word Zellen, which means to count. This is about integers. What are natural numbers? All counting numbers are called natural numbers. What are whole numbers? All natural numbers along with zero are called whole numbers. And integers nothing but all the whole numbers along with negative numbers are called as integers. Okay, next one. Rational numbers. Rational number, this is the first chapter in 8th class. Rational numbers. What are rational numbers? Already studied about these rational numbers. What are rational numbers? A number which is in the form of p by q, where q not equal to 0 and p comma q are integers. P comma q are integers or called rational numbers. What is the rational numbers? A number which is in the form of p by q, where q not equal to 0 and p comma q are integers. Integers nothing but you can take any positive values or negative values or 0. But only one condition is there here, q not equal to 0. Why q not equal to 0? Because 1 by 0. If the denominator is 0, that is what is that? Undefined. When the denominator is 0, that is always undefined. So except q not equal to 0, p and q you can take any value, either positive value or negative value. For example, p and q 1 by 2, minus 1 by 5, 2 by minus 8, minus 3 by 4. You can take any positive number or negative number, you can take any integer. What is the rational number? A number which is in the form of p by q, where q not equal to 0 and p comma q are integers. These are called rational numbers. Okay, one more definition also there for rational numbers. The one more definition is all terminating, comma, non-terminating repeating. All terminating, comma, non-terminating repeating values. All terminating, comma, non-terminating repeating values are called as rational numbers. What is the meaning of this? All terminating and non-terminating repeating. For example, if you take 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 5. I am taking some examples. What is the value of 1 by 2? 1 by 2 is 0.5. What is the value of 1 by 3? 0.3333 up to so on. See, it is non-terminating. Terminating is, what is the meaning of termination? Terminate means to stop. So 1 by 2 means, what is the answer? 0.5 terminates, means it stopped already. 1 by 3 means 0.3333, it is non-terminating. Okay, it is continuous, non-terminating. 1 by 4, what is the answer? 0.25. 1 by 5, 0.2. Okay, see, in this example, you can take any p by q form. Either any number p by q form, compulsory, either it is terminate or non-terminate. See, these terminating values are called all terminating. These terminating values are called rational numbers. Even it is non-terminating. See here, 0.333 nothing but, you can write as it is 0.3 bar. Yes or no? It is non-terminating but it is repeating. Yes or no? 3 is repeating or not? Not only this one, you can take any number. Suppose if you take 1 by 6. If you take 1 by 6, what is the value 6 with 1? 0.6 ones are 6, 4, 0, 6 6 are 36, 4, 0, 6 6 are 36, 4, 0. Like this it is continuing. Again 6 6 are 36, 4. See, it is continuing or not? So what is answer? 0, 1 by 6, 0.16666 means what? 6 bar. 6 is repeating here. So 1 by 6 nothing but 0.16 bar. 6 is repeating. See, you can take the any p by q form. Either it will be the terminate, even if suppose if it is non-terminate, compulsory it should be repeat after some places. So that's why what is the another definition? All terminating means what this? All terminating values are rational numbers and non-terminating repeating. Suppose even if it is non-terminating, suppose if it repeats, that is also a rational number. You can take any fraction or any p by q form. Compulsory you will get only two cases. Either it will be terminate, otherwise even it will non-terminate, compulsory it will be repeat. That's why a number which is in the form of p by q, where q not equal to 0 and p comma q are integers are called as rational numbers. One more definition is all terminating and non-terminating repeating values are called rational numbers. Next, irrational numbers. Next one, irrational. What are irrational numbers? What are irrational numbers? Irrational numbers nothing but non-terminating, non-repeating, non-repeating values. Repeating we can call as recurring also. Recurring nothing but what? Repeating. The meaning of recurring what? Repeating. All non-terminating, non-terminating, non-repeating values are called as irrational numbers. Non-terminating, non-repeating values are called irrational numbers. Non-terminating, non-repeating means what? It will be non-terminating, that is a non-stop, and also non-recurring means non-repeating means the values won't repeat. In previous example already some repeat. 0.333 means you taken 0.3 bar, but in this we can't write that. Which values will get that one? Root 2, root 3, root 5, root 7, root 6. These are the examples for the irrational numbers. Root 2 value. What is the root 2 value? Actually we take 1.414. You have the procedure, long division method, how to find the root values. Okay, once you find the root value up to 10 or 12 places or 100 places, you will get 1.41428163 something you will get, but you won't repeat again. But if you take in the p by q form, some any fraction 2 by 3 or 1 by 3 or 1 by 8, some any number by another number, numerator by denominator, compulsory either it will be the terminate, otherwise non-terminating, non-repeating it. But if you take in a root of non-perfect value, you will get the non-terminating and non-repeating. See these values it is non-terminating up to so on it is non-terminating and also non-repeating. These values again won't repeat. Here what 4 1 4 2 8 1 6 3 k. After what will come, we don't know. Any number it will come. If you find that, you will get some 2 1 3 something you will get, but these values won't repeat. Okay, so these are the examples for the irrational numbers. What are the examples? Root 2, root 3, root 5, root 6. Root 4 is not an irrational number because what is the root 4 value? Root 4 value is 2. Root 9 value is 3. Root 16 value is 4. See, these are what? These are the not irrational numbers. These are what? These are rational numbers only. These are rational numbers because it is terminates. These values are terminates. So, root of these are called 4, 9, 16, 25, 36. These are called perfect squares. So, root of perfect squares are rational numbers. The root of non-perfect squares are irrational numbers. Okay, now this is rational numbers and irrational numbers. Next, these irrational numbers. See, rational numbers are denoted by q. Rational numbers are denoted by q and the irrational numbers are denoted by q dash. Rational numbers are denoted by q and irrational numbers are denoted by q dash. Is it clear? Now last one, what is our chapter name? Real numbers. The real numbers. What are real numbers now? Real numbers. What are real numbers? Up to now we studied about natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational numbers and irrational numbers. The combination of rational and irrational. The combination of rational and irrational numbers. Rational and irrational numbers are called as real numbers. Is it clear? The combination of rational and irrational numbers are called as real numbers. What are rational numbers? Comes under all numbers, either 0 or positive numbers or negative numbers or p by q form, all comes under this rational numbers. And irrational numbers, root values all comes under irrational numbers. The combination of these all rational and irrational are called as real numbers. Now this is our first chapter, real numbers. Okay, now these real numbers, what is the first letter? R. So real numbers are denoted by R. Okay, this is about introduction of the number system. First we discussed about what natural numbers. In natural numbers, what will come? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This will come up to so on. These are the natural numbers denoted by n. If you add 0, these are called what now? These are called whole numbers. W. Whole numbers are denoted by W. Means, see, all the natural numbers are whole numbers. All the natural numbers are whole numbers, but all whole numbers are natural numbers, because 0 is a whole number, but it is not a natural number. All the natural 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the natural numbers, even if whole numbers also having the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to so. But 0 is a whole number, but it is not a natural number. See, for these total circles, small circle indicates the natural numbers. This big circle indicates the whole numbers. Means in big circle what are there? 0 is there and also natural numbers are there. So all the natural numbers along with 0 are called as whole numbers. Now what are integers? See, one more circle I am drawing. What are integers? So integers denoted by I or z. So negative values, -1, -2, -3, -4. These are the negative values. All the whole numbers, if you add the negative numbers, these are called integers. All the whole numbers along with negative numbers are called as integers. Now, all the integers are whole numbers or not? No, because they are negative. All the natural numbers are whole numbers. All the whole numbers are integers. But all integers are not whole numbers. All whole numbers are not integers. Next, rational numbers. Rational numbers. What are rational numbers? Rational numbers are denoted by Q. Q. Why will denote with Q? Rational number actually first letter is R, but real number also first letter is R. But only real numbers are denoted by R. Rational numbers are denoted by Q. Q nothing but full form is quotient. Q means what? Quotient. Already you know in division process what is answer? Quotient is called as answer. So we will denote by Q. Quotient first letter. Now all the natural numbers including with 0 called as whole numbers. All the whole numbers with negative numbers are called integers. And numbers which are in the form of p by q. A number which are in the form of p by q are called as rational numbers. One more is there, that is q dash. Q dash is, this is a irrational number. Okay. Now the combination of these both, the combination of rational and irrational. The combination of rational and irrational are called as real numbers. This is all real numbers. The combination of rational and irrational are called as real numbers. Is it clear? This is about a number system. The combination of rational and irrational numbers are called real numbers. Okay. In next class, I will give the introduction. I will give the notes. Okay. I will post in your group. Okay. You can write the